Annapolis had 95 home sales last month with a median sales price of $594,900. It's Friday, December 6th, 2024. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker-owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage. This is the weekly Annapolis Real Estate Report. Last November, 98 homes sold at $614,995 median dollars, reflecting a 3.4% decline in sales price this year. Annapolis Inventory for sale dropped this past week to 150 properties. 11 properties are coming soon. 8 homes went under contract in 36 days this past week. 10 homes sold for 97.4% list to sold ratio in 9 days. Rentals fell to 39 available at $2,995 median dollars per month. And that's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, December 6th, 2024. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you next week. Stay safe. Take care.